Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rolls from Samosa Patti. First, lay out your Samosa Patti sheets on a clean, dry surface. Next, have your prepared savory filling ready. It could be spiced potatoes, minced meat, or vegetables. Remember, the filling should be cool to the touch. Finally, mix a tablespoon of flour with a few drops of water to form a thick, smooth paste for sealing. This preparation ensures a smooth rolling process. Now let's get to the fun part, filling and rolling. Take one Samosa Patti strip and place about 1 tablespoon of your delicious filling near one end. Fold one corner of the patty over the filling, creating a neat triangle. Continue folding the strip diagonally, keeping the triangle shape intact until you reach the end. This method ensures a compact and evenly filled roll. Once your rolls are shaped, it's time to seal them securely. Dip your finger into the flour water paste and apply a small amount to the very end flap of the Samosa Patti roll. Gently press it down to ensure a tight seal. This prevents the filling from escaping during frying. Next, heat your cooking oil in a deep pan to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your sealed rolls into the hot oil, frying them in batches to avoid overcrowding the pan. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they turn a lovely golden brown and are perfectly crispy. Once fried, remove them and place them on paper towels to drain any excess oil. Serve these delicious rolls warm with your favorite chutney or sauce. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.